Watch you guys, this is another video tutorial from IT Box, how to change default applications in Windows 10. By default, Microsoft has already chosen the default apps which you will be using in the main areas of your computer activities. Watching movies, listening music and browsing on the internet have already assigning some applications which are supposed to work smoothly and efficiently. But what about the situations when you have your own personal preferences? How can you set up your own personal defaults? In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can do it smoothly with just a few simple clicks. To start, you click the Start button, and on the menu, you find a position called Default Programs. You click on it, and now a brand new window appears, and you choose the first hyperlink, which is called Set Your Default Programs. You click that link, and now you have a new window which showing the default apps which are responsible for main areas of your computer activities. So for example, mailing, music, photos, video and web browsing. So if you would like to change these default applications, you can do it, and I will show you how. So for example, if you prefer Microsoft Outlook or Mozilla Thunderbird over Windows Mail, you can change it here. So you click Mail, and now from the list you choose your preferable apps for mailing activities. So in my case is Microsoft Outlook. This is how you can change it. So now the operating system knows what is your personal choice. So every time when you click some link related to the mailing, the Microsoft Outlook will activate yourself automatically. So you can do it the same with music, with photo, with video, and also with web browsing. So let's see how it's gonna work. So you go to music. Let's say I would prefer Windows Media Player with photo. I preferred Paint because I like some editing. For video player, I prefer VLC Media Player. And for web browsing, my personal preference is Google Chrome. So now the operating system knows exactly which application to open when you will be doing some little works on your machine. So now we can close both windows, and we can check how the things are working in practice. So for example, if you want to open some video files, you go to video, and you can see the little tiny icon on VLC indicating that it will be opening by this particular software. Let's see how it works in practice. Watch you guys, this is another, as you can see, it was VLC Media Player. So in this way, you telling Windows operating system which application is supposed to be open every time you would like to do some little work on your computer. I hope that you find this video useful, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel, give me a like, and leave some comments. What are your personal default preferences in terms of programs? It was Mark from IT Box, and see you in the next video.